Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Regex is a startup that aims to bridge the gap between industry and academia. Through their tailored training services, they deliver practical, hands-on solutions designed to meet real-world challenges. Student community often come across periods of recession and job undersupply. Regex works to address these issues through its uniquely designed programs.
To give the job to the students and to make good leaders so that they can become unicorn, or they can have a startup, they can provide jobs to different, you can say, the different parts of basically a nation, and they can build something. So we are addressing these problems only कि हम उनको बना रहे हैं. Opportunities सबके पास हैं, पर skills सबके पास नहीं है. So we just have to create skills so that they can track and they can take those opportunities and good packages.
To address the challenges, Regex came up with a well-crafted solution to deal with the issue.
The startup is basically into software and edtech. So basically we are creating a space for the developers and engineers so that they can become perfect and they can make their product, or they can be a leader around the world, and we are making basically the best engineers. So we are here, like the company is being into the edtech and development. So we are creating products, and in edtech we are with different companies, you can see the corporate ones, and we are with the student as well and the colleges as well, where we are making the students so that they can find a good jobs. So basically we are having some programs, the internal programs. So the programs are, you can say, the 8 to 10 months long programs where the non-engineer or a engineering background candidate can come, and we can train them from scratch. We can build them from scratch. Each and every student has to spend around 5 to 6 hours in our space, and over there, as they will spend Monday to Saturday, the test, problems, and from scratch, basically we build them, and as they complete their 80% of the program, so we place in different companies, because over there, as we are having a collaboration with more than 150 companies this time, so we are giving them opportunities as a student. For every student, actually, I can say, आता सबको है, जानता भी हर कोई है, but the problem is कि वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज कैसे ग्रैब करें और अपॉर्चुनिटीज उन तक कैसे पहुंचे, ये नहीं होता. So we are just maintaining that gap, bridging that gap, and providing them the opportunities कि जिससे they can take that, and of course they can start their good career.
There are indeed many other organizations working on training the students and making them job ready, but Regex is so confident about its programs that their solutions come with a very confident assurance.
We are giving each and everything in return. That basically the three key points which we always say, that 100% placement you will get from our end. The minimum 4.5 to 5 lakhs of package you can get from our end, and the refundable policy. If you are not getting placed from our end, then just take the whole amount with 9% of interest. And this is all those things we give on paper, and we track each and every week of every student. If the student is not performing, then of course we call the parents, we call them, we show them, like, see how the student is performing. Even if he is not coming, then why he is not coming. So of course at that time the answerable is the parents, but if we are not doing anything, then of course the answerable is us. So as we are having a batches of 15-20 students, and each and every student get placed in a good company. So that is the major scenario, and that is why the Regex known in Rajasthan for the placements.
The real mark of success, or the morale booster, lies in the success stories that emanate from the hard work and dedication of the student and the institution alike.
Like last year, there was one student who came for data science program. Okay, so in data science program, we are having a program of 10 months. and additionally you can say like the support we give for the placements. So one student named like Rajendra, so like that student was like who drives Ola and Uber in night. शादी हो चुकी है बट बच्चा क्या कर रहा है, ओला एंड उबर. तो जब चीज़ें ऐसी हो और पर ऐसे बच्चे बहुत मोटिवेट करते हैं दूसरों को कि यस दे वांट टू बी समवन एंड वो उस लाइफ से हट के कुछ नया सोचना चाहते हैं. एज ही केम, उसने मेहनत किया, पेरेंट्स ने सपोर्ट किया, यहाँ से जितना सपोर्ट हो सकता था हमने किया, और बच्चे ने नॉन टेक का होते हुए got a package of around 7.5 after having a gap of 3 years from different, basically a non-tech background. So these type of students actually inspire others. टेक का होने के बाद 20 लाख का पैकेज लिया, इंस्पायरिंग नहीं है, बहुत लेते हैं. नॉन टेक का होने के बाद 7-8 लाख का भी पैकेज लेना, इट्स इंस्पायरिंग कि आपने नॉन टेक से टेक में एक जंप मारा. And everyone knows like a average package of each and every engineer after 5 years goes around 25, 30, 35 lakhs. And क्या वो पहले कर सकता था? शायद नहीं, but वो क्या अब कर सकता है? बिल्कुल.
Regex does not want to relax and get into a comfort zone. It is constantly trying to improve and upgrade their working with the help of technology.
We are working on AI technology where you can say we are making a virtual instructor. So that is something which is going to come up in next 6 to 8 months, and that virtual instructor is for students, for the counseling, for each and every perspective. That student, like each and every student face one problem. No one is there with them to answer their problems. They can Google, they can ask their mentors when they are in college or a place where they are learning. But in-house, they are not having anyone who can explain each and everything. They can Google, they can ask things, but वही problem है. तो we are making a instructor, a virtual instructor, जो आपको चीज़ें सिखाएगा, और जब वो आपको सिखाएगा तो आप उसको सीखोगे, आप उससे सवाल पूछोगे, you will ask the questions, and that bot, that machine will answer you. Basically, it's a robot, the hardware, basically a product, and the software part is on our end. It is very important in India, where we are having a population of 1.4 billion, right? बहुत सारे like they are, you can say, the below poverty line. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास इतने सारे कैंडिडेट्स हैं who are looking for employments, और हमारे पास इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं कि we can serve those people, because आइडियाज़ बहुत हैं, हर एक बंदा नए आइडियाज़ लेकर आता है, बट एग्जीक्यूशन नहीं हो रहा है, और एग्जीक्यूशन जैसे ही होता है मार्केट उसको अडॉप्ट भी करता है अगर आपका आइडिया उतना इफेक्टिव है. सो बेसिकली व्हाट आई वुड से इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट क्रिएट आइडिया, work on it, but the execution is very important. Create a document, a perfect document. Try to get the needs of people, that actually ये आइडिया का नीड है भी या नहीं है. If you are getting that need कि हाँ नीड है, तो just do something, a survey kind of thing, कि हाँ हमने सर्वे किया, सर्वे से हमारे पास क्या रिस्पॉन्सेज आ रहे हैं, और इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग दो सर्वे और आपको पता चल रहा है कि मार्केट आपकी नीड के अनुसार चलना चाहता है, यस द मार्केट इज लुकिंग फॉर योर प्रोडक्ट, जस्ट लॉन्च इट. माइट बी नेक्स्ट 3 months 6 months, और माइट बी फॉर 1 year, यू विल गेट नथिंग, बट आगे अगर उसको और बढ़ाओगे तो probably you will get something, because the thing is ना, it is very simple. Someone said more than 8, you can say out of 10, 8 or 9 startups gets fail in first 3 years, and the reason is वो वहाँ पे अपनी कंसिस्टेंसी को मैनेज ही नहीं कर पाते. इफ़ यू कैन मैनेज अ कंसिस्टेंसी, इफ समवन कैन मैनेज देयर कंसिस्टेंसी, दे कैन मैनेज देयर डिसिप्लिन, और वो काम करते रहें. देयर सो मेनी स्टार्टअप एज आई सेड लाइक कमिंग अप, बट जो कल्चर क्रिएट हो रहा है, ऑफ कोर्स इट शुड गेट बूम मोर. द गवर्नमेंट शुड सपोर्ट मोर एज दे आर ऑलरेडी सपोर्टिंग, but yes, the few startups, and if we are looking for good raise, like the fundraising part, वो वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा companies like are lacking, because people are having good ideas, and even good ideas can give good employments to people, but many ideas are getting fail, and even they are not able to start, at the end candidate is going for the employee to become an employee or for the employment purpose. So culture बढ़ना चाहिए so that the candidates can get good employments like the basically jobs. और of course अगर आप खुद का धंधा संभाल रहे हो तो उसमें आप 24 घंटा काम कर सकते हो. एंड बीइंग अ एंटरप्रेन्योर, ईच एंड एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योर वर्क्स फॉर 24 आवर्स. रात भी चल रही है, पार्टी में हो, बट ऑलवेज यू थिंक फॉर योर प्रोडक्ट. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक फॉर समवन्स प्रोडक्ट, you have to think for your product. So every time I suggest one thing to each and every student: once in a life, try to do a startup. If it gets fail, it's fine, because to be a success or to get a success, unsuccessful होना बहुत important है. And as you get unsuccessful, from there you get experience, and that experience and that energy you can वापस से उसको रिवाइंड करो और शायद एक नई एनर्जी की तरफ, या might be for a good product, you can take it.
And in the end, Mr. Shivam Maheshwari has a piece of advice for the young entrepreneurs.
A simple message: each and every student should try a startup. And एक एनर्जी वहाँ पर, क्योंकि सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलता है. एंड इफ जैसे एक श्लोक है यार गीता का, like I always use that, like might you heard it, कर्मणे वाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. like the simple meaning, कर्म करते रहो, फल की चिंता मत करो, and if you will give your best, you will get the best results.
Indeed, success belongs to those who are committed to succeed and relentless in their pursuit. It is the unwavering dedication that turns ambition into achievement.